Hello, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, I'm going to teach you about aggregation function in MySQL. The SQL statement by preparing to know using the aggregation predefined functions are available. We'll see in this example, it is in a sum of total the rows we are getting from the database, and we can straight away by preparing the SQL statement itself, we'll get an SQL statement result statement there itself. We'll see by executing and preparing the SQL statement using the sum of aggregation function. Just simply see here, I'm preparing for a database of Northwind. Under the table here, you'll see order underscore details. The table which I am going to using here, it is an order underscore details. And let's see first, like select star from order underscore details. Order underscore details. Let's see what is the table structure, how it is cleared. Yes, this table is having order ID and the product ID, unit price, quantity, and the discount. See, these many columns are available in this particular table. So the aggregation function where like functions like a sum, min, max, these are the functions we'll use most of the probably we'll use for price and the quantity verification, how many averages we are going to be taken based on the order, and the sum of the products, how many products, and the sum of the total of the price, how much we are, it's a in to be in the transaction. Like these details we are going to be taken care of. Let's see here for an instance of an example. I'm taking order ID and unit price for this example to making in a sum. We'll see based on the order ID, I'm making a sum directly how many orders unit price I'm getting from the group of the orders. We'll see and show the query here, and this is the table query. Just simply you using I'm taking as an order ID means I'm taking first is an order ID column here, order underscore ID. Sorry, it's an underscore comma, and here what is the column I'm going to using for aggregation function, and the unit price I'm going to using for aggregation function like a unit underscore price. Let's see here. Just simply write unit underscore price here, and the same column only I have written. And before this, what I'm doing here, sum of using the parentheses, I'm putting inside the column of unit price with the using of aggregation function of sum. Now see, and the rest of the statement is same. Nothing. We need not to do any changes of this statement. Like this is a order. Yes. Select order ID is in the first column, and the sum of unit price, the column of unit price. This is the column. All right. And if you require to take choose many columns, you can choose as you wish to choose the columns. It's okay for you. And now from table name, this is an orders details. Order details. And the termination, and go here to execute the statement. You see order ID it's showing, and the sum of the unit price it's showing. It's a showing only our is based on our SQL query statement. One order ID it's showing, and the price of sum of the total price it's showing itself. But there is an in our table many orders are there, and there is many orders like products are having different like 3-4 products are there with a single order, and based on how we need to grouping these orders. Let's see here. And if you see, I'm making is on a comment. I'm making is on a comment of this line, and select like a star from and order details, and just see here the earlier query we have seen here. See, these many orders are there here. These many orders are there, and many like 25 orders only it's showing. And if we press next, it will be shows more. And you see here, keenly observe it. 10248 having 1, 2, 3 order ID. Same order ID is having 3 products with the different prices. And if I want to see these 3 products into based on the order ID how much total amount of that particular invoice. I want to see. This is my scenario and my requirement. When I am printing my invoice, I'll print total amount. And if I want to collect from the user that total amount, I want to collect like a total invoice how he is going to buy. Otherwise, if we don't want to put independently each item payments. All right. We'll see now for to satisfying this type of requirement, just put simply what I want to do here, making is a grouping of these items, enable this query, yes, and order details, and here what I'm doing here, group by GRO UP, group by what is the order ID. Based on the order ID, I'm going to making as a group. Take it as a column name, and now press enter. Execute the query. Now you will see based on the group ID. Earlier we have run the plain SQL statement like getting select star from records. We have three records are there based on 10248 ID. Now you see here, if I am grouping the order ID wise, instead of three, one order ID is accumulated here, and the sum of the prices, it's automatically the three, if three or any more, the IDs are grouping into one, and with the price of this group of IDs, it's making as a single price only we are able to see. It's nothing but the total invoice number from that orders. All right, and we see here, and the group ID, it may be in descending order. We can also make it as an ascending order, like simply how we can do it. It's an just simply add like order by, we have seen that order by statement by adding order based on the order ID, or any column you can use. Any column which is under the select, you can use for group by or order ID. And now see here, it's a order by. Is now it will be automatically making it as an ascending order. If we didn't function any ASC or DESC, it will be comes under automatically. It comes under ascending order only. Now see, on every column you find out total sum of the price, unit prices, automatically it's coming as a total. Such a beauty, irrespective of the number of total data rows and how you are going to be filtering. And if you want to see as a single particular like a single order ID only, you pass by you applying the where condition, where clause, and making in a condition, you can filter it based on the single ID only. You will get from the group of the order the particular ID, and the total sum of the amount you will get it here. Pretty easy. All right, hopefully you will understand about it, this situation and this scenario. And now in the next lecture we'll see how it is works with the max and mini and aggregation functions of max and min. Thank you for watching this session. Thank you.